I am doing a role or when I am creating or in the process of filming Kabir Sawant, I don't think all that. I don't have to match another cop. I don't have to match another performance. These performances that you have said, they are inspirational.
Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hi Amit, welcome to Indian Express.
Thank you so much. I am feeling very good. And after seeing you, I'm much better.
Looking at your Instagram, we know that you have been spending your lockdown with your dogs. How easy has it been with them?
It's very easy with them, firstly, and they make my life worth it. They're just the best, beautiful creatures. I love my dogs. I think everybody knows them. And yeah, they made it easy. They make life easy.
Kabir Sawant, you play an inspector in the series, but you're also somebody who may have committed a crime because we see you behind the bars. I think we'll only know once we watch the series. But Breathe is a psychological thriller, and often so actors sort of immerse themselves in such kind of roles. How challenging was it for you, or did it get to to your mind while being in the skin of Kabir Sawant?
Well, to kind of portray Kabir Sawant, there's no other way. You have to kind of like go for the full bite. There's no other way. Like you said, Kabir Sawant himself is in the prison, and for that you have to watch the new season. Kabir Sawant has his own law. I think he's not above the law, but uska apna ek nyay hai. I think he has his own functioning, which sometimes gets him in trouble. But what makes it, I think, Breathe and what you said, the process, and I think what makes the process easy and worthwhile is, I think, the support I get from my director and my writing team. They really have worked very hard. They work the hardest. Because if you see an actor, if you see me, if you like Kabir Sawant, it's not me. Yes, I work hard, but it's been written so well. So in terms of Kabir Sawant and Breathe, I'm just very grateful to my writers and my director and the makers. That they put in so much work, they put in so much, and that encourages me. That kind of motivates me to give my everything as well as an actor.
There are also like some downsides when you're playing a character that you've already played before in the first season. And even in the first season you were battling your own demons. Has Kabir changed from season 1 to season 2? Are we going to see some kind of a transformation?
I'm sure you've seen the physical transformation.
Yeah.
Yes, a lot has changed. I think in season 1, if you remember, he had guilt of losing his daughter to his service revolver out of carelessness. You saw the disturbed relationship with his wife that he loved so much. Alcohol. But he was not a brash human being. You felt for him. You felt for his pain. And I think the call of duty came, the call to protect society, to protect people. And that's where Kabir Sawant stands up. That's the beauty of this character. He just leaves everything aside and he delivers. In season 2, I think there are more shades. He's been in the prison, so a guy like him who doesn't drink anymore, who doesn't have a wife, his sorrow, his nightmares have lessened. I think all he could have done. That's the only logical thing that comes to my mind, and we thought about it when we went for that physicality. That a guy like Kabir Sawant in prison, what would he would have done? I think he would have just gone to the prison akhada and gypped. And that's why even if you see the physicality, it's pretty raw and rugged, and and very puffy and bloated and thick, basically.
The role of a cop has been portrayed in several other web series as well, and talking about even the ones that have been released on Amazon. There has been Hathiram in Patal Lok or a Shrikant Tiwari in Family Man. How did you make sure Kabir Sawant's identity stands out from the rest of them?
It's an actor's prerogative to give his all to a role. When I'm doing a role, or when I'm creating, or in the process of filming Kabir Sawant, I don't think all that. I don't have to match another cop. I don't have to match another performance. You know, yes, these performances that you have said, they are inspirational. In Breathe, I have to perform to the character. I have to perform to the need of the script, to the genre, to the dimension, to the world. You know, and I would like to believe that I have brought something also. I would like to believe it.
What was it like working with Abhishek, Saimi, Nitya, just to name a few? I remember I was speaking with Nitya the other day and I asked her about working with you in the series. She mentioned, and without revealing the plot, she mentioned that there was this one particular scene where she felt this total connection, and both of you, like, once the scene was over, both of you were like, did you feel it? And you like, yeah, I totally felt it. Did you also reciprocate the same and felt the same way with, and I mean, how much of an importance does the ensemble hold in making your own performance really worthwhile?
Yeah, so they on set, some there are some, I call it special days, where special moments or special things happen, and special things happen when you're around special human beings, special artists, and Nitya is one of them. She's a beautiful woman, very, very talented actor, and we did feel something when we did the scene.
It's just sad that we can only imagine. We can't know what you're talking about till 10th of July.
I know. So sorry, that's, I feel it because, as a journalist, you're asking me a question and it's my duty to answer you. And, and then there are these restrictions and there are like 30,000 people listening to an interview. Ek shabd idhar udhar bola to makki marne wala danda aayega. But you said a very nice thing that we depend on people. Good performance. I think when you are standing in front of a good actor, like Abhishek Bachchan, who knows the craft, who knows cinema, who knows acting, I think you become better. And that's one of the amazing things I think I like about acting. When you're in a frame between action and cut, we have the capability of, making each other look good. And my acting coach, one of my acting coaches said, like, a good actor acts for the other actor. And one thing I'm very proud of for Breathe that we have been able to achieve is this togetherness. Like on this set, there's no ego, there's no star, we leave all that baggage. When we are on that, when we come to the flow, we come that Breathe is ours.
You've been part of every medium, be it television, films, OTT. As an actor, does your approach to a script or a project change with the change in mediums?
No. When I get a script, I read the script. I see how the story impacts me. I see how that character impacts me, if it challenges me, and then I see it from the audience point of view. If the audience is going to spend 2 hours, 6 hours, invest that time into watching something, what is their takeaway? And so just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And,